Hi everyone, welcome to InterviewPro. In the last video, we tried downloading artifacts using workflow name and run number, and we used the action created by a verified creator in GitHub Marketplace. Usually, the actions provided by GitHub itself start with @actions, whereas the actions created by the creators will start with the name of the owner of the repository followed by the name of the repository. So we have used this one, which is not created by GitHub. So last time it worked for me. Let's try to run the workflow again to see if it works or not. Let me trigger this workflow and click on run workflow. We see that the workflow is failed. If you look at the error, it says this action is not allowed to be used in this repository. Actions in this workflow must be within a repository owned by the organization or the repository owner or created by GitHub. So why is this happening? It ran successfully last time, right? Because I had a setting enabled. If you go to settings tab and go to actions, general, and look at the actions permissions, by default, it will allow actions created by GitHub. If we want to use actions created by the creators in Marketplace, then we have to click on allow. And if you don't want to allow all the actions, you can specify the specific actions that you want to allow, separated by commas. So this is the action that I want to allow. So I will save the changes. If I go back and trigger the workflow again, click on run workflow. Now we'll have a new workflow run and it's queued. We don't see an error, so it should be starting. It has started and it downloaded. So if you want to use actions created by creators in GitHub, make sure your settings are properly enabled. So this is the setting and this is where you provide the list of allowed actions. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to Interview Pro. Thank you.